In this video, solution to the problem number 62 uploaded on this channel on 12th January of 2021 itself will be discussed. This is the right time to mention that this problem is of the same type as the problem number 60 uploaded on this channel on 8th January of 2021. As a matter of fact, problem 60 was set in the joint entrance screening test abbreviated as the JEST of the year of 2020. And just like problem 60, the solution to this problem also exploits the basic idea that the probability for a continuous random variable x following a probability distribution function f of x to be or to lie in the closed interval a comma b is given by equation number 1. So please read this important concept needed to solve the problem and also look at equation number 1 very carefully. To proceed further, the probability distribution function followed by the radioactive particle is rewritten from the problem statement number 62 in equation number 2. Please look at equation number 2 very carefully. An important observation that will be helpful in solving the problem is that all the events in the question contain an integral multiple of the inverse of the decay constant lambda. Since this observation is very important, it is also written on the board. Please read this carefully. So in general, the probability of the event that the particle won't decay over a time span greater or equal to n lambda inverse. I repeat, the particle won't decay over a time span greater or equal to the particle won't decay over a time span greater or equal to n lambda inverse, where n is any positive integer, should be found. This important fact is also mentioned on the board because these are the concepts which will be required or which are being exploited to solve this problem. So please read those important informations and concepts very carefully. But it will be easier to find the probability of this event using the complementary event as expressed in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is also very important for this problem. To understand the way it is solved, equation number 3 is very important. So please look at equation number 3 very carefully. So, applying the ideas discussed so far, equation 3 simplifies to equation number 4 as shown on the board. You must have seen how long equation number 4 is, and its importance can hardly be overestimated. The importance of equation number 4 can hardly be overestimated. So please read all the steps in that equation number 4 with great deal of care. Please look at equation number 4 with great deal of care. From equation number 4, very clearly, greater the value of small n, smaller the value of the term e to the power 1 by n, and greater is the probability. The gist of this important concept is also written on the board because it is found necessary to do so. And so, very clearly, option A is correct. I repeat this point once again, and it has been mentioned twice on the board for benefit of the viewers. Option A is correct. I repeat once again, option A is correct. The correctness of option A also makes sense physically, as any radioactive particle is least likely to decay when the time span considered is the smallest. So I hope that the solution is clear to everyone after watching the video. Thanks for watching the video.